Hello guys, we are trading live with gold using fantastic ultra fast X-SCALPER, new version turbo. You see in this, let's say 5-6 minutes, we made 5-6 trades and made another $1,000. So it is catching good movements in the market, and that's it. You just load gold or any other what you want to trade, and the software will make the job for you. It is used on gold, on standard pairs, Bitcoin. I will send you the settings for gold especially, and for these pairs if you want for Bitcoin also. Sometimes you see in just 3 minutes 5 trades, then 5 minutes nothing, then in 2 minutes 3 trades. This is how it works. It is very quick, doing the job only when we have a big movements in the market. So here, before we have buy, here and here, before that sell, and now again the sell. And you see only 1 or 2 lost trades, but this is not lost trade, this is due to spread, because spread is sometimes very quick, going up down. You see we made another 150, 170, or today already $10,000. So it works like that. What to say more? We have also Euro USD. Let's load this. This is a reactor scalper. Standard settings. Euro USD. This is the second scalper. You can use. I prefer for my rather this one, ultra fast scalper, is very quick for more trades. It goes very quickly. You see, it is the name ultra fast. Also we have E-SCALPER. We made $69,000. So whatever you take, you will make money. Guys, I will not show you from the beginning. I'm showing it. You see, we are making money again here. How much, I don't know. 900 dollars. So you see, in last 15 trade, no lost trade except this break even. If you want to find more, guys, about how these systems work live, I made dozens, even hundreds of videos about them, especially about this E-SCALPER. It is going to be in the money. Also, here you can find in the last few weeks at least 10 videos with live tradings. So also this one. Now we don't have any trades. So what to say? No trades. Ah yes, we have GBP USD here. I almost forgot. It is also open, GBP USD. We are here in waiting. So until we wait to make money with this, I have a good idea from one of my customers. He wants to try one of my scalpers, but he doesn't know which one is better for him, for gold, for Bitcoin, for I don't know. So Due to that, you see this is in the money. Let's close it. 110. So I decide today, this is a crazy idea, but you see these three which I showed. This is one of E-SCALPER. This is not RoboScalper, is different. This is a reversal trading. This is E-SCALPER. This is REACTOR scalper, not in the trading now. GBP finished in the money here, you see. So I decided to give you all these free for one special price. So it is a REACTOR scalper. It is, you see the price 289. It is E-SCALPER 700. It is 789, and ultra fast turbo scalper. It is not here, but it would be also about 300 euro. So all three scalpers are about more than 1,200, 300 euros. And I decide, if you are not in decision what is the better, for you, I will give you all free for one fantastic price. So you have seen that all three are over $1,100. I will give you 90% discount. Yes, you will get only for 10% of price, all free. So all free, guys, all free. So ultra fast scalper, E-SCALPER, and this one, all free, guys. Unbelievable. Listen, for 10% of price, it is 111 euros, all free. Free. And you will get 5 licenses for each. You can test it on demo accounts, on 5 accounts. Later you can ask for more accounts if you want, don't worry. But this is 10% of price. If you go to my web page, so this is 289. It is not on my web page. Plus this, it is already 1,100, and this is, guys, not 10%. This is even, and this is more, 200. This is 1,400 euro, all free. It is 95% discount, almost. So 111 euros for all free. But guys, this is only for my subscribers or my previous customers, and this is valid only next 3 hours, or first 5 people, which will come first, I don't know. If first 5 people will come in next 1 hour, the promo is over. But if not, I will keep it until next 3 hours, until 9 o'clock European time, 9 o'clock. If you are from Europe, you have 3 hours, or if first 5 comes, because this is 95% discounted price. All three are costing 1,400, and you get all three for one euros only. and plus 5 licenses. So be quick after this video. I am here anyway more 3 hours, and if you use this promo in that time, I can send it these products immediately. So remember 5 account numbers you can send me, so you can get 5 licenses. E-SCALPER is going up. You see, I don't worry, because today we already made 69,000. Also we have this, not this one, sorry, this one, but this one is not in any trade now. But you see, let's follow last trade live today. Yes, gold is finished with almost $500. So I'm happy that you can see how it works live. So 3 best fast scalpers: E-SCALPER, REACTOR scalper, and ultra fast scalper, only 111. And the new trade is here again and again. It will make money non-stop, you see, either buying or selling. And GBP USD also made the trade I haven't noticed before. So guys, this is final video of today, and the best offer you will ever get. Even you will not ever get one of them for 111. Now you get all 3. 3 best scalpers for 111 euros plus 5 licenses. You see, this is going to be in the money too. Close it, I don't want to wait here. And yes, we made 70 euros. Just because of video, I close it. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend. You have also before 2 promos. One is a weekend promo and one is for fantastic breakout plus strategy. But this is far away the best if you like scalping expert advisors, scalping robots. So best 3 scalping systems for only 111. So it is more than 90% discount, 94.5% discount. Go to the beginning of video and see what I explained. So you see, this is going to be in the money. Also, I'm very confident with these products, and you must be. If sometimes the price is not going in, let's say, your decision direction, let it go, guys. You see, it opened trailing stop, and now it is just a question how much we'll make. Do we make, I don't know, 50, 100, 200, few thousand or something? So we are now win-win situation. I'm happy that you also can see E-SCALPER trading live. You will also get settings for gold, for Bitcoin, and for standard pairs. Until this is going on, please also have always a good broker with low spread. This is important not only for my scalpers, for any scalping system. As lower spread, it is better profit here, because when you are in break-even trade, then every pip means something. You see, we made $1,300 just in this video while I was talking. Altogether today 71. So what to say else, guys? I don't know. Use this promo next 3 hours or first 5 people. The condition is that you are my subscriber. Have a nice day and weekend. Bye bye.